Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to your podcast Decoding Banking with Habib Metro. And I'm your host Zafreen Javed. In this podcast series, we're going to talk about banking in a way that's easy to understand, simple, relevant, and real conversations about how it works and how we do at Habib Metro. For our first episode, our topic is Inside the Habib Metro's Legacy: What Truly Defines Us. And honestly, I couldn't have asked for a better guest to start with. He's someone who is taking forward and leading the legacy and culture of Habib Metro in Pakistan. So let's get it started. Please welcome the president and CEO of Habib Metro Bank, Mr. Khurram Shahzad. Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam.
How are you,
Zafreen.
sir?
I'm very well. Thank you very much for inviting me here. This is a nice place.
Thank you. And
Very
we are
nice.
very excited to have you with us today, sir. Before we formally begin today's episode, we would like to know a little more about you. We all know the Khurram Shahzad, the president and CEO, your work, the value you have given to Habib Metro Bank and the overall banking industry. But if we put aside the titles and achievements for a moment, who is Khurram Shahzad? Where does he come from? How was he growing up as a kid? And sir, क्या आपको ये मंडे ब्लूज होते हैं हमारी तरह? Yeah.
So anyway, this is, I guess, we all evolve with role, with age, with time. Obviously, Khurram Shahzad growing up was a different Khurram Shahzad as a banker. I grew up in Lahore. Actually, Karachi is adopted home for me. It is home for me now. But I grew up in Lahore. As a kid, I had been coming to Karachi and being impressed by Karachi, and so whenever the opportunity came to move permanently to Karachi, it was very, very nice for me. And I'll tell you, it's a city that I really admire and I really love.
That's great, sir. And sir, I mean, you have been working with such a long time with the banking industry. We all know your rich background and experience. But how did the journey with Habib Metro begin, and how has this been so far?
It has been better than even what I anticipated it to be. It has been. I mean, I'll explain that a little more with the people. Actually, the most important aspect of this journey has been the wonderful people I have interacted with. And that could include from teller in the branch up to board level people, my bosses, my colleagues, people I interact with. They really make it worth coming to office and working in this. So when I was doing my interviews, I heard this word of Habib family. And I hear a lot of things, but this is one of those things which I actually saw and how. And I was an outsider in this bank. It's just 8 years. So I had worked 23 years or almost that with another international bank, and very well settled, and I knew everybody. But and this was a great opportunity. And in that, I'll tell you the most important part is the people that I work with, the team. I was myself a part of a bigger team, and then almost 3 years back, I became leader of the team. This was an opportunity given to me by the bank, by our directors, and the way it crystallized, the way everybody helped me along the way, and to make it successful. I mean, that's really, really special.
Yeah. Great, sir. Thank you so much for the answer, sir. Sir, we all know Habib Metro has a legacy. It's a legacy bank we talk about. We have strong core 6 values, which are the pillar of the organization. Talk about the values. What is that one value or maybe values, maybe you can say, that you think comes to your mind instant when you think about Habib Metro?
I think of the 6 values that we have, the first one that immediately comes to mind is teamwork. And that teamwork is all around you. That teamwork is, even if when there are people find themselves in a position where they find it difficult to help others. But yet, through teamwork, everybody tries herself or himself to give the best. So to me, that comes the first, and the second one is may come to you as a little bit of a surprise is respect. So respect is where while you disagree with people, but you do it in a very respectful manner. You do difficult. There are a lot of time that we all have to do difficult decisions. We all have to take difficult decisions, dealing with customers, giving them appropriate responses, giving them price quotes, dealing with very old customers of the bank, dealing internally. But the fact that you do the same thing as a professional banker, but here you do it with respect, and you never lose that part. You know that otherwise it's never really a transactional approach, whether with staff or with your customers. So it's very, very important.
That's great, sir. अच्छा, तो हम जब कल्चर की हम बात करते हैं, बिकॉज वैल्यूज़ ट्रांसफॉर्म होती हैं कल्चर में while having the right attitude and behavior. That's what transforms the culture. अभी हमने वैल्यूज़ की बात की. So what do you think that is one attitude or behavior that you expect from the people of the metro to have as a mandatory part of their daily BAU?
That would be a customer focus. For us, our customers are very important. While this bank is obviously it's there since 1992, or if you want to talk about HPC Pakistan, that was since 1989. But the relationship with customers go back generations, and they remember that. And it is our duty to do that, because we are dealing with intergenerational customers, and we are sure that the people we hand over, people who will be new relationship managers, people who will be new head of departments, they will also be dealing with the next generation of the same customers. So it is extremely important for us that whatever we do is customer centric.
That's very well said, sir. So just as we talk about, the bank is growing, mashallah, we have seen tremendous growth of Habib Metro. We have branches, 500 plus branches, multiple cities across the Pakistan. But as the bank grows, how do we make sure that values stay strong? Because expansion hai, आपके पास branches expand हो चुकी हैं. So how we can make sure that कि सब जगह वही values जो है implement हो रही हैं, people are living by those values.
So what I really appreciate, and this was actually your department HR's initiative last year, to again revive those, again go to those, again reinforce, go back. So that's really where it all comes. So it is very important. So I make sure wherever I go, and I travel quite a bit, I meet our staff in. Not, I wish I could say that I've been to each and every branch of the bank, but I have been to a number of them, all the provinces everywhere. But I make sure that I reiterate whatever these importance of these values. And this is something that whenever we discuss as our top team, CMC, and a lot of other forum, and we have tried to now, so that the responsibility is not on those few people who are CMC. We have made another forum below that. We have made number of other forums and teams. They continue to reinforce those values, that messages is relayed again and again. And we all have to remind ourselves also, frankly, that this is the values. And a lot of time there is this introspection also. We need to challenge each other that, were you living by the values when you said this thing?
Sir, अभी हम customers के बारे में ही बात कर रहे थे, that we support customers, and उसी context में, we are facing it, like we're seeing the generation shift is happening. The Gen Zs are coming, they are taking over the world. They're the future, whether clients hai ya hamare employees hain, they are the future and they're gonna stay here. And so unki needs bhi very different hai, their requirements are very different. They don't want to go branches, they want easy solutions, they want easy banking. And I think innovation ko mind mein rakhte hue, a lot of banks have done a lot of things. Digital banking is there. So how is Habib Metro adapting digital banking, keeping its traditions?
So it's a very good question because you're right. I mean, this Gen Z,
Yeah.
and that's the future.
Yes.
They don't want to come to branches. So हमारा जो traditionally, that's I've been
Yeah.
a banker for 36 years. तो वो इसी तरह से हम सोचते हैं कि यार वो जो
Yes.
customer और जो
Yes.
branch का जो link है,
Yes.
and they'll be coming and we'll be discussing things and all this. These guys don't want to come to bank. And you talk to them, you talk to even your own kids. I mean, they'll open an account. They expect I don't have to go to bank. Somehow there is this aversion of going to branches, and so obviously there are a number of things that bank is doing because this is our future. Frankly, these kids, this Gen Z, that's where the growth in Pakistan will come. That's where future customers will come, and catering to their needs, catering to their nuances
Yes.
is very important for
Yes,
us
sir.
because they may not know it,
Yeah.
but we are there for
Yes.
them.
Yes.
And so it's important that we understand. So obviously, one is very easy, which is this digital banking. So they don't have to come; they can open their account online, and they have all of that wherever they work, whether it is part of some companies and we reach their doorsteps and all of that. And the whole idea is to give them the best possible digital options, and we have.
अच्छा सर हमारे लाइफ में, करियर में, पर्सनल लाइफ में चैलेंजेस आते हैं. सो व्हाट डू थिंक कि आपके पूरे करियर में सच अ ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस माशाल्लाह, कोई ऐसा बिगेस्ट चैलेंज दैट यू थिंक ड्यूरिंग द time of the bank you think that was the biggest challenge I ever faced? What it could be?
So I have COVID in my mind. So I'll tell you that when it started, I mean it was a very difficult time. First was staff safety itself. All of us, coming to office, Habib Metro was a place where brick and mortar and coming to office, daily attendance, all of those things are very important. To change that to where we allowed people to work from home, to give them laptops, and lot of things was done. So the bank, we as a team showed a lot of flexibility. What we did was, we were the bank, a mid-sized bank, but we were one of the first takers of loans that the government allowed to. So there was this scheme in which you could give 6 months salary as a loan to a company, and we gave that very, very generously because we didn't want people to be laid off. So if somebody, and I know a number of customers who mentioned, if this thing had not come from you, I would have laid off so many hundreds of people. So that we were able to help during that. There were a number of other things that we did during that. We are a large trade bank, and the world's trade was massively impacted. So what we did was that we tried to help our existing customers, and also to see if there are people that, from a nationalist point of view, that we can help. We helped. We tried to help and helped actually government of Pakistan.
That's
that was
true.
very important.
True, sir. And I think COVID ke baad, a lot of surveys also happened that proved that people would like to work with leaders who are empathetic. So that is, I think, I can relate to your answer as well, sir. Sir, एक मेरा, because हम leadership की बात कर रहे हैं, तो I'll take the benefit because CEO sitting right in front of me. So I'll have my personal question, एक sir, because हम जब leadership की बात करते हैं, with your experience, when you meet someone or आप interview है या in general अगर आप मिलते हैं, what is that one attribute या ऐसे क्या signals हैं that tells you कि सामने वाले में leadership potential है? I think ये बहुत सारे लोगों के लिए people
ये
alert हो गए होंगे इस सवाल पे now.
तो ये इसमें जो है ना, ये आप सामने वाले से तो इस पर it's Zafrin sitting सामने,
Yes,
तो
sir.
you're trying to now get into my head.
Yes.
When I look at somebody, when I'm interviewing, when I'm interacting, so एक तो I don't want people, I want people उनमें ambition of growth होनी चाहिए अपने लिए, अपने लोगों के लिए, to grow themselves, to grow the business they have, and to grow their teams. वो अपने खाली ग्रोथ की नहीं हो उनके पास, वो नीचे तक
Yes.
वो ग्रो.
That's what a true leader is
Yes.
about.
So
Actually.
हमारे लिए, मेरे लिए it is
Yes,
very
sir.
important to see कि एक तो अपनी इसकी ग्रोथ एम्बिशन होनी चाहिए, और उस ग्रोथ एम्बिशन में वो जो उसके आसपास पीपल दैट ही और शी इज इंटरेक्टिंग, वो उन सब की भी ग्रोथ की कितनी केयर है टू दिस पर्टिकुलर पर्सन.
Great conversations happening अभी तक सर. अब थोड़ा सा लाइटर हम मोमेंट करते
Sure.
हैं. We'll move towards our gaming segment, sir, and
Okay.
no usual game shows, sir. Rest assured, that is why we will not be running
जाते वक्त
around.
मुझे बाइक मिलेगी कि नहीं मिलेगी ये बताएं.
So water cooler हमने रखा हुआ है as a prize. So we'll have
आजकल
that.
वो दुनिया has moved on to EVs, okay?
Yes, electric bikes we can have. So sir, first हमारा गेम का सेगमेंट है myth and truth. So बैंकर्स के बारे में और कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड के बारे में बहुत सारी बातें होती हैं ना, कि लोग कहते हैं ऐसे होते हैं वैसे होते हैं. So let's see कि हमारे सीईओ क्या सोचते हैं, क्या
Okay.
कहते हैं. सो सिंपल गेम, आई विल शेयर फ्यू स्टेटमेंट्स विथ यू एंड आपने मुझे बताना है कि मिथ है या ट्रूथ है. ठीक है. सो लेट्स बिगिन सर.
Sure.
सर फर्स्ट इज बैंकर्स आर ऑलवेज सीरियस.
The fact that I'm laughing,
Yeah, you
bankers
are
are
not, I
not
know,
serious.
yeah,
No,
I
no.
know.
Actually, so yeah, this is a seriously,
Yeah,
this is a
yeah,
myth.
yeah.
This is not real.
As an HR only hires and fires people.
I don't mind अगर HR के ऊपर कोई चीज जा रही है. नहीं. HR, that's a, if you
Yeah,
ask me, that's a
yeah.
very small part
Yeah.
of HR's
Yes,
job.
yes.
I have seen, and I have, as a CEO, तो मैंने
Yeah.
बहुत अब closely
Yeah.
देख लिया है, because I work very closely with HR.
Yeah.
आप लोगों के जो the way you work with
Yes,
staff, the way
yes.
you support people, the
Yes,
way
sir.
you work with them, HR does a lot
A
of
lot,
things for
sir.
people. And if you ask me, जो unsung, traditionally जो unsung heroes होते हैं, HR is definitely them. But people interact with HR,
Yes.
hiring and firing,
हाँ.
तो वो associate उसी से कर लेते हैं. And all the jokes about HR are because of that,
Yes, sir.
okay?
And so unsung heroes वाले Asad is going to be very happy after this answer, hearing this answer I'm telling you. अच्छा sir, HR knows more office secrets than anyone else.
That would be true.
That's
That's not a myth.
I also agree, sir. अच्छा sir,
And
most
we despite being a CEO, I'm actually curious how much HR knows, because I know HR knows.
yes, sir, that I agree. I think it's truth. I also say that. So most urgent emails are not urgent. So what do you think?
Unfortunately, that's also true.
I also agree, sir. Achha, so people say quick call when they actually want a 30-minute meeting. This also happens,
That's,
sir.
yeah, unfortunately, not a myth. It's a truth.
It's truth, sir.
It is true.
Truth.
Uh,
Great.
uh.
The best networking happens outside official meetings.
So yes, that would be right.
The most productive day is the day before vacation. What do you think, sir?
So your laughter will tell you that I am also guilty.
I can see that, sir. I can see that. sir.
I am also one of those guilty ones.
So
but
ये
yeah,
सच है, इसका मतलब है सच है.
ये सच है, बिल्कुल.
So one last thing, sir. Every leader has at least one meeting they secretly wish was cancelled. So,
I can help you that it's not HR meeting.
oh my God, Asad is going to be really happy. I think I agree, sir. So wonderful, sir. You were very good with all these answers. Very spot on.
No, there was very you were easy on me. Okay?
Because sir, I still want to work with Habib Mehta for a long term. For sure.
No.
All right. So second game segment हमारे पास है. अभी you know in previous conversations we talked about generation shift. You know Gen Z's के बारे में हमने बात की. and they're ready to take over the world. We all know this, sir. And so they have their own language code words as well. Do you know this? उनकी अपनी एक लैंग्वेज है
बिल्कुल है,
सर.
language है.
तो आज ना हम सर वो टेस्ट करेंगे कि how
okay.
well do you know the Gen Z
Oh, damn.
language.
Okay.
So game is Jargon Jenga. So I have few words Gen Z's and let's see आप हमें कितना guess कर
बिल्कुल
सकते
ठीक
हैं. ठीक है?
है. I am game for it, but इसका जो passing marks हैं वो बहुत थोड़े होने चाहिए.
Okay, sir. Done it. Your motorbike is still on. Don't worry. ठीक है. So
और
first,
ये इसके केस में अब वो जो है ना वो नहीं चलेगा, वाटर कूलर नहीं चलेगा, ओनली बाइक.
This. All right, flex.
आई डोंट रिमेम्बर.
All right, I'll give an example. My biggest flex is I'm meeting CEO today.
I
Achievement, showing
Okay,
off, you know,
okay,
a biggest
okay.
achievement. You
Okay,
can say
flex,
that. ठीक है.
okay.
Slay.
Slay.
S-L-A-Y. Slay.
I don't know.
Oh, sir.
नहीं. That shows I am not in touch with.
It's okay, sir. मैंने भी याद की है वैसे ये. It's like doing so well. You were good, superb, awesome. So you slayed it.
नहीं.
नहीं है, sir?
I'm definitely losing my bike and my water cooler also on this one.
Was very good, sir. So last game, but I hope you're going to enjoy this as well.
Okay.
अच्छा, sir, अब you are the captain of the ship. You know, bank के सारे departments, people report to you. You get to meet them every day. The department heads and everything. So let's see how well do you know your people and department.
Oh my.
ठीक है? So the game is guess the job.
Okay.
So I'll show you a few cue cards. उसमें कुछ icons हैं. आपने वो icons देखते हुए guess करना है कौन सा department हो सकता है ये.
Okay. So this is bank के जो departments हैं.
Bank. So sir, first one is
This is a department we all need.
Yeah.
This is IT.
excellent, sir. See, you slayed it. See? All right. Next is these are ATM cards,
Yeah,
ATM
this-
machine.
This is obviously the digital
Yes,
bank.
sir. Yes,
This
sir.
is the
Excellent. Last one, sir.
Hmm.
I know
This
you'll guess
is-
it.
This is what?
Exchange.
Treasury.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Foreign exchange.
thank you.
Treasury,
Foreign exchange, treasury.
sir.
Okay.
Excellent, sir. I think motorbike, water cooler, everything goes with you today. And वो कहते हैं ना Gen Z style, you slayed all the games, sir.
Slayed.
It was wonderful, wonderful.
Now that I know, I didn't get that, but chalo, now I
Now
can
you know,
say,
sir.
I
Now
can
you know.
impress now.
Yeah, yes, sir. Ajay, sir, before we end the conversation, sir, you know, हम young talent की बात करते हैं. We are doing a lot of support for them. You know, we hire management trainees, we go to universities, we hire young talent. बहुत से भी aspiring young talent है जो अभी हमें देख भी रहा होगा. And they want to start their careers in the banking. What is that one advice you would give to young kids, young people जो banking में अपना career start करना चाहते हैं?
Considering that, you've asked me a very relevant question. But what I'll tell these young people, finance industry is very important. If anything, over the years, this has become more important. The financial world, and to be able to add value in that world, to innovate in that world. हमारे पास whatever we used to do, there were very few things that we could do extra. Today, if you want, as a banker, you want to innovate, you want to do new things, you want to introduce new processes, new products, new services, you can do a lot because of IT, digital, AI, all of these things, they are helping. So, bank is one place where you can apply a number of skills that you have. So, whether it is marketing skills
Yes.
or it is,
True.
you know, human resource skills, it is a lot of skills that you learn, you can apply, and you can learn
Yes.
from there. It is, and one more change that I expect for Gen Z is that earlier, wherever you would join as a banker, you would retire as a banker. Today, that thing is also breaking. So even if Gen Z thinks that they want to do something else, maybe down the road they want to do their own things, this career in banking, this is very important. The sort of discipline that you learn when you're a banker, the challenges, the customer service, the integrity, because you're dealing with other people's money. These things are very important. And once you learn these things, you can apply the same skills to number of other disciplines, number of other areas, number of other professions. You want to stay in financial services sector, that's fine. And I expect most of these people to stay in that. However, if you want to try something else as a Gen Z, I mean, you're welcome to. But this grounding, this training is very important.
Yes, sir.
So,
True. Thank you so much, sir. And वो जो आपकी बातें सर कि bankers बड़े serious लगते हैं रहते हैं. I think we have changed that, that myth, that misconception. And I think a lot of people who are watching us will agree to this. With this, we come to the end of today's episode, sir. Thank you so much once again for your time, sir. And I think I had a lot of key takeaways from this conversation, sir. बहुत सारी ऐसी बातें हैं जो कि मेरे लिए भी learning के लिए हैं. And I'm sure people who are watching us will agree to this. Thank you so much, sir.
thank you very much, Zafreen. You really made it easy for me and made it actually fun.
Thank you,
So while
sir.
we could prove that bankers are,
Yes, sir.
so banking is a serious business,
Yes.
but it's not a boring business.
Yes,
Okay,
that's the right statement I'm going to use next time. Thank
So,
you, sir.
thank you.
I hope you all enjoyed as much as we did. We'll see you next time with another episode, a great topic, and another inspiring leader to lead the conversation. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.